Alright guys, I'm back again, this time with another quick update on my Earthquake IG800W unit. This is actually the third unit. The second unit I had running before. I don't know if I posted a video or not. I've been dealing with these issues so much, but the second unit actually developed a rod knock issue, at least that's what I'm assuming. So I got sent back to Amazon. My first unit's still working pretty good after my repairs. I don't know how long they're going to hold with the super glue, but we'll have to see, because I couldn't get the parts from Earthquake. They just don't have those parts. They I guess want to replace the whole unit. So this is the third one, and I have not dealt with Earthquake as far as getting the replacement units. I've strictly dealt with Amazon because they have a one-day turnaround by overnighting the item. So this one came just before I sent the old unit off. And so far so good. It's run 2 hours and 58 minutes, so just under 3 hours. No problems as far as the engine or inverter. In fact, the only problem I have is it shipped with a torn fuel strainer. So I've already contacted Earthquake about it. The fuel strainer itself is actually kind of dirty down in there, but shouldn't be much of a problem. I should get a new fuel strainer in the next 2 business days. So this is actually a cold start. It's about a 55-degree day here in Michigan. You know, we're always a little bit cooler, but got my little handy dandy temperature gauge here, and at the exhaust we're showing 64.6. in fact, the rest of the case is about the same. Just the plastic case is around 64 degrees, but the exhaust itself is 64. My hand is 87 or 84 there, so just to show you, this is a real cold start. Has not been started since yesterday. And then we're going to hook it up to around a 200 watt load. Yesterday I ran it on around a 300 watt load for around an hour and a half. Went back down to 200 watts. Or 250 watts, I should say, for the rest of the load with a little space heater. But let's go ahead and get this unit started, because one of the problems I had with the old unit, the original and the second unit, was that they were kind of hard to start cold. Took around 5 pulls, and then really hard to start from warm. So let's go ahead, turn on the power switch, open up the fuel, put it in choke, and then should take 1 to 2 pulls. So you can see there, it took 2 pulls. Whoops, wrong switch. Trying to put it in eco. And over here, I have my little cord set up that goes into my room, which I have a space heater, a battery charger set up, because I have my solar system, which you're looking at the back of right now, which isn't quite doing too well today. It's pretty overcast. Didn't do too well yesterday, which is why I also had it hooked up, but it charged a couple of deep cycle batteries. So you hear it load up here. It's in eco mode. Even though it's cold, it's only 200 watts, so it's not gonna really damage the unit. But let's plug it in. See there? Loads it up pretty good. Still fairly quiet. As far as the time I ran yesterday, still has a lot of fuel left in it, so we'll probably get around 5, maybe 6 hours tops. Battery life with the loads, again, between 250 and a little over 300 watts that I ran yesterday. So we'll let you know as far as how long it ran with the specific load. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace.